Hi, welcome back to Carl's Bird World. My name is Carl Monte. I'm in a different place. Yes, I am in Temple. This is my first bird show. So without further ado, I'm going to show you around what birds they have here and for sale. Y'all enjoy.
And this one? 3.
It's a lumber.
Let me touch you.
Keep an eye on the one. Keep an eye on the one that we don't want.
I don't see the green.
Hi.
Có thấy em đo đâu cơ ấy? Can I get a steak? Can I get a steak sandwich? Hey, I've done it for nothing. Fun, right?
This is my favorite type of bread right here.
There is it.
This needs to drag me to all of this.
Alright, y'all. I am back from the Bird Expo. I've seen a lot of birds, and I mean a lot of birds. A lot of familiar ones too. A lot of beautiful colors, everything. Interesting experience. Now I know where to go next time I want to sell some of my birds. But that was fun. I enjoyed it, and I will be going to more. Please click the like, subscribe, and share button on my YouTube page, and thank you for watching Carl's Bird World.